The methods which are considered as the mind of student learning interest in the classical lesson are commendable, but also all of them are not appropriate because each learning method or model, including learning method and modern learning. The lecture method itself basically has many meanings and types. The following are some definitions of the lecture method, including, according to Winarno Surahmat, Magister, lecture are explanation and verbal narration by the teacher to the class, while the role of student is to listen carefully and take notes on the main points stated by the teacher. The lecture method is the application and verbal narration by the teacher to the class, using teaching aids to clarify the description present to student. We often encounter this lecture method in learning process in school ranging from low level to 30 level. So this method is considered the best method for teacher to conduct teaching and learning interaction. One thing that has never been the subject of reflection for teacher is about the effectiveness of the use of the lecture method, namely the interest and motivation of students, and in the end it also has an impact on student achievement. The lecture method is also called the activity of providing information with words. Teaching history is the process of providing information or material to students, and the result of using these methods often do not go as expected. The meaning and significance of the material or information is sometimes interpreted differently or incorrectly by the student. This because the level of understanding of each student is different, or on the other hand, the teacher as a learning center is not good at conveying information or material to students. The types of lecture methods consisting of various lecture methods, mixed lecture methods, and original lecture methods. The lecture methods in its application in the teaching and learning process also has several advantages and disadvantages, including a weakness. It's easy to be verbal. The next, the visual on loose and the audit. Listening on really expert it. If it is always used and offers, it can be boring. The success of this method likely depends on who uses it. Tend to make students passive. Advanced. Teacher easily counter the class, easy to organize the setting or classes, can be followed by a large number of students, easy to prepare and implement. The teacher is easy to explain the lesson well.